Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another review by PureCast9. If you haven't joined this family already, it's really simple. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and that's it. You're a part of this family forever. With that said, in this episode, I'm going to give you my review of the boAt Stone Grenade XL. Now this is another latest speaker from the house of boAt, and I love that boAt is continuously experimenting with its design and it's continuously refining the sound quality. So before we go into the sound test of the boAt Stone Grenade XL, very quickly let's have a look at its build and some of the features. So in terms of features, the boAt Stone Grenade XL is a 10 watt RMS stereo speaker. So it's got two speaker driver units on this side and a bass radiator on the other side. Now up front, it's got some really clicky tactile buttons. So the volume up and down, the play pause button, and the power button, which also doubles as the mode changing button. Speaking of which, it's got provision for aux and micro SD card apart from Bluetooth connectivity. Now the capacity of micro SD card supported is 32 gigabytes and formats of music and songs supported is MP3 and WMA. Now on the surface, it's covered with fabric and it feels really good in the hand, feels premium. It's got a decent amount of weight that makes it really hefty and it feels really formidable in your hand. The build is rock solid as you'd come to expect from boAt, and it's also got IPX6 water and dust resistance. So all in all, superior rugged design which feels really good in the hand. And it's also got a 2000 mAh inbuilt battery. So if you're listening at 100% volume, you should get 4.5 hours of continuous playback. And if you're listening at around 60% volume, you get around 7 hours or so of continuous playback. So with that said, now let's straight get into the sound test. So I'm going to play a couple of tracks, you guys form your judgment. I will form my judgment, listen to them in person, and once I come back, I'm going to give you my verdict on how it sounds and whether at all you should get it. So let's get straight into the sound test.
Am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. 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 Yeah. I just wanna be with you.
you have it, guys. That was the sound test of the boAt Stone Grenade XL. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am super excited to give you my verdict because it was such a joy to listen to the speaker in person. Now, it's a 10 watt RMS speaker, and we've heard 10 watt RMS speakers from boAt in the past as well. So in my mind, apart from the new design, which is really cool, I was thinking, what new could there be? What could they do with the sound? Thankfully, boAt has really pleasantly surprised me with how much they have refined the sound on the boAt Stone Grenade XL. The highs, the mids and the lows. If these three frequencies are produced nice or perfectly, you've got a great speaker. So the highs produced by the boAt Stone Grenade XL are just beautiful. You know that sweet spot where it sounds natural and retains the crispness and clarity without being over sharpened and sounding irritating? The boAt Stone Grenade XL is just that. Beautiful highs, no distortion at 100% volume, which is just beautiful. The mids are where the vocals lie, makes up for the body of the music. The mids are so beautiful. They are bright with utmost clarity. The vocals sound warm and crisp and so soothing, and max volume, no distortion whatsoever. Even I've seen some speakers of boAt in the past struggle with maintaining the mids and highs at the beginning of tracks. That's where, before any other instrument piles in, at max volume they show a bit of crackling, but there was absolutely no crackling in the mids and highs. Now coming to the lows or the bass, which we all love, the bass of the boAt Stone Grenade XL is once again extremely impressive. Now it is not boAt Stone 1000 level bass. I mean, that's got a way bigger bass radiator and that's of a different league. But the boAt Stone Grenade XL bass is really impressive. It's punchy, it's thick, it's undistorted at max volume, and it really has that punch which any of you will enjoy when listening to songs which have a lot of bass. So great highs, great mids, great bass. Definitely worth buying. So if you guys are interested to buy this speaker, you can use the link below because that will help me run this channel and I can produce more content for you guys. Speaking of which, the price of the boAt Stone Grenade XL is $27.99, so 2,800 bucks. And for that price point, it's worth it. And if you want me to rate it out of 5, I would love to give it a 5 out of 5, but no speaker is perfect. And okay, so I'll give it a 4.8 out of 5. And the reason I'm taking away 0.2 is because this would have been the ultimate package if they included inbuilt FM and a USB port for me to plug in a pen drive and listen to my favorite music and songs. Leaving aside those two, this is still one beast of a speaker, and I'm sure you guys will definitely enjoy it. So that's been it, guys. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. Share this video with interested friends and family members. It's also a great gifting option. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.